Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Beko air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button is used to change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we start with the explanation of this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In cooling mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, it is recommended to set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius can cause illness. The fan button is used to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. The fan has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. To switch to the next mode, we press the mode button and the drying mode symbol appears on the screen. This mode is designed for the air conditioner to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the fan symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and the sound symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode, and in this mode we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Selecting the fan speed as auto fan speed in heating mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed is adjusted by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. At the same time, the evaporator will cover it with snow only when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, it will take up to 20-40 minutes for the air conditioner to reach its normal power, depending on the air temperature. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner always tries to maintain the temperature in the room around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is higher, it will operate in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius when lie down in bed. However, such a temperature regime can cause a cold. To get rid of this problem, it is recommended to use the sleep button, because in this case the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. When this button is used in heating mode, it will lower the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, we need to press the sleep button again. This air conditioner has 2 swing buttons. Each time this button is pressed, the position of the blinds changes at an angle of 6 degrees. When the other swing button is pressed, the blinds move up and down continuously. To stop this movement, you need to press the same button again. Some air conditioner models have an additional heater that is turned on in heating mode. This button is used here to turn on such a heater. With the help of the timer mode in air conditioner, we can turn it on and off at any time we want. While the air conditioner is running, we press the timer button and turn it off after, for example, 5 hours. To do this, we press the timer button and set the hour to 5 hours. Our air conditioner will turn off after 5 hours of operation. To exit this mode, press the cancel button. Or we turn off the air conditioner and go to work and want our air conditioner to turn on after 10 hours and cool our house until we return. In this case, we press the timer button and we set it to 10 hours and we remove our finger from the button. After the timer flashes for about 10 seconds, it appears on the screen. To exit this mode, we press the cancel button. Thank you for watching us until the end.